Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently, I got a comment here. Oh, I see. So this is an account of somebody who loves Korean pop very much. And this account asked me to draw Chaewon from Sserafim. It seems that this account is a die-hard fans who really idolize her so much. So let's draw her. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to draw Chaewon with a pen. Let's talk about the drawing reference in order to understand the drawing composition. So this is a drawing reference that I use. As you can see, actually pose can be broken down into shape of circles, triangles, and many more. Let's break them down. After we create the pose and apply it on the paper, we're going to use a pen for making the sketch. We can use the shapes as a guide for creating them. Let's draw. And now we are going to shade this drawing. It will be easier to determine the darker and the lighter part of this drawing by this thing. Let's take a look. In this black and white drawing, we can easily see which one is darker while which one is lighter. We can also see the light source, which is from here. In order to shape with a pen, we need to meticulously apply the pressure of the pen. The more pressure you exert on the pen, the darker the result. The less pressure you exert on the pen, the lighter the result. Let's draw. It's going to be a bit tricky to draw the fur part, but we can take a look on the reference. On this reference, we can see the pattern of fur, which is striped. So we can mimic them on drawing. Let's continue. The body part. It's quite tricky, but we can shade them by understanding the light parts. Let's see. The light goes from here to here. So the shadow are here. So in order to shade, we need to shade the shadow firstly and then the lighter part. Let's draw. And finally, it's finished. I hope this video is helpful to you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And thank you.